Historic snowstorm blankets Chicago area. Thousands without power. Hundreds of flights cancelled. One of the worst November snowstorms in Chicago history hammered the city and suburbs Sunday night and early Monday, dumping more than 7 inches in the city, and up to a foot in some northwest suburbs. Snowstorm drops up to 13 inches on Chicago area. Strands travelers. Leaves tens of thousands without power. Chicagoans digging themselves out of one of the city's worst November snowstorms can look forward to dry weather for the next few days, but snow-related problems persisted late into Monday with extensive delays at Chicago's airports and power outages for more than 140,000 residents. The storm pummeled the Chicago area Sunday night and Monday morning with winds of more than 50 miles per hour, dropping more than 8 inches of snow at O'Hare International Airport and up to 13 inches in the hardest hit areas in the northwest suburbs, southern Wisconsin and areas south of Rockford along Interstate 39.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.